Stop. Stop. Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Mama. It's a brand new day here in France and we are out in the streets. Well, not really on the street, but kind of on the street. I decided that I haven't took the kids to the park in a long time. So today Tyler doesn't have school, so I said okay, it's a good day to take them to the park close to home where I always take them to. So if you guys are not new to the channel, then you'll know which park I'm at. But if you're new, we're at this beautiful botanic park. Let me show you guys a bit of it. So up on entrance we have fishes and then that's the waterfall. So what they do, because the botanic park, it sells different plants and trees from all over the world. So it's huge. I don't remember I've ever given you guys a proper tour of. I think I did it once, but not recently. But there are lots of fishes down there, some big ones, some little ones. There are frogs, which I wish not to see. So yeah, there we go. It says that there are all these things in the water. So there are frogs in there, like this one. There are fishes like this one, that one, and this one. So there are different kinds of fishes down there. Nice little waterfall. Try. Say hello to the faves. Not even a wagwan, you know, give them. And Mini Miss Sarah is here. Look, say hi. Hi, we're going to the park. We are going to. Sarah love outdoors. Sarah live for outdoors. She can't wait to get out of the stroller and just play around. So let's head to the play area, shall we? Yes, Ty. You're the chef. I need to follow you. Alright, chef, slow down. That's all I'm saying. Slow down. So as you guys can see, that's the garden and it goes all the way up where you see that little housing. That's an office up there. And it have some pretty cool sitting area. People always come over here to have lunch. I don't think there'll be a lot of people at the park. One, because of the time of day it is, and two, a lot of people just not coming out because of COVID. So yeah, but this park is open to the kids, so I like to take them over here every now and then. And Tyler, because it's in home area, Tyler always sees friends from school here when it's not a school day, so that's cool for Tyler. So they have different walkways throughout this garden and stuff like that. Look at him, he's looking to see who we saw. And people always come over here to have birthday parties and stuff like that. So Sarah will enjoy the slide. Come, Ty. Yes, Ty. So this park says you must wear a mask. Open, Tyler. Where are you going?
I can go there.
Yeah, she just went.
Okay.
Sarah, you want to go on the slide? You want to go on this one? this one. Come. Come ride this one.
I want to ride that one. I'm riding this one.
Okay. She living her best life. Up. Up. Jump. Come. Go get Tyler. Go get Tyler, Sarah. Go find Tyler. Go, 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 go. Where's Ty? Oh, he's up there. He's up there. Oh!
Eh oui, t'as peur, viens, je t'attrape.
Tyler, come.
Voilà.
Ok, dis
Attention hein, pour redescendre. Hein. Pour monter, c'est facile, mais pour descendre, c'est pas très attention. Hein.
Go get Tyler, Sarah. Go, go, go. Go get Ty. Go get Ty, Ty. Go get Ty, Ty. Go get Ty. Wow. Park leaving was a success. She didn't cry. And she's not in her stroller. Good girl. She's running after her brother. I can't keep up. Go, princess. Slow down, Ty. Slow down. It's our nap time right now. So we gotta go back home. Stop right here, Ty. Stop right here. I have to put her in our stroller now. We're going on the street. I'll go and sit and eat. Look how Sarah gonna take away your food.
But you can't do, you can't only
Reach
eat.
it. Yes,
Look,
yeah,
you can't reach
take
it.
out your
Look.
food.
Oh no, I can't reach it.
Tell her leave her. You guys, tell her is eating the last of the cheesecake. And Sarah is gonna take it away from me.
Never.
Come on, eat up. Never. Because she's gonna never take snatch of your plate. Never snatch for your plate from you. And when it's gone, you're gonna wonder where your plate is. You can be funny. You'll see never. How is the cheesecake?
Good.
Good. You want to make another one?
Yes.
Hey! Not anytime soon. What yes.
Yes. Boo-boo. Boo-boo. Ba-ba. Ba-boo. 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 Ba-boo.
Been back from the park long time ago. The kids had fun and I'm in the kitchen whipping up dinner. So I'm making curry chicken today. Tyler will be happy because Tyler loves curry.
And rice?
No, there's pasta in the fridge, so I'm not making any rice.
Oh, I wanted the rice.
No, not today. You'll get rice on next day. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Okay. Rice and curry chicken.
Yes, you'll get that tomorrow. So I'm making some curry. I have pasta in the fridge and I have quinoa in the fridge. So I'm not making anything else for the boys. And I'm just putting some broccoli on the side because that's what I feel for. Some broccoli. So yeah. And that's a one in my dutchie and no, you say?
Mama,
Yes, Kai.
why you are speaking Jamaican but you live in France?
Why I'm speaking Jamaican but I live in France?
Yes.
Because I'll forever be a Jamaican, so I'll always speak Jamaican.
But,
No matter where in the world I live, I'll always speak Jamaican, okay?
but if you speak Jamaican to people, they won't understand what you are saying.
That's why I'm not speaking Jamaican to French people, because they won't understand, you're right. I'm speaking it to the face, because the face understand.
What if there is some French people?
What if there's some French people there? Just go Google Translate. Or they just won't understand nothing. I'm just simply saying to you, it doesn't matter where in the world you go when you grow up, always be true to yourself. So always remember that you are French with a Jamaican roots. So you always embrace your French culture and you always embrace your Jamaican culture, okay?
Why my Jamaican culture? Nobody will understand.
Oh yes, people will understand. It doesn't matter where in the world you go, there is somebody that will understand Jamaican.
But some people won't understand.
Yes, because you'll speak Jamaican patois, you'll speak English, and you'll speak French. So you will know when to speak French. You'll know when to speak English, and you'll know when to speak Jamaican patois. Right? So when you see Jamaican people say, "What on my yacht?" And when you see English people and they don't understand Jamaican patois, you say, "Hello, how are you?" And when you see French people and they don't understand English or Jamaican patois, tu as dit, "Bonjour." He's so funny.
And if I see somebody Italian, I say Manduno.
Well, right? Take away my glasses from Sarah. Wait, leave her. Look at Sarah. You guys see Sarah? Sarah is obsessed with glasses. I'm gonna give her glasses and you guys gonna see what she's gonna do. Tyler, don't put on my glasses, it will hurt your eye. Show them, Sarah, show them. Sarah, love her glasses. Brother put on his glasses wrong. Hey, glasses party. Hey, glasses party. Hey.
Mama,
Look at her
where's
looking at
your
her skin.
glasses? Where's your glasses?
Sarah.
Glasses party. Glasses party. Glasses party.
Sarah, show Faith the glasses. Hey. And she know to put it on too, you know. Back up the camera. Put on the glasses, princess. Put it on. Put on the glasses, mama. Put on the glasses, Sarah. Hey, good girl. Yes, my girl. Look at you, the camera. Go Sarah, hey, hey, go Sarah, hey. Go Sarah, hey, hey, go Sarah, go princess. Go Sarah, turn up baby, turn up. Hey, hey, go Sarah, go Tyler, turn up baby, hey. Hey, she a dancing. She got her glasses, you see, look how much you pretty. Careful with your eye, mama.
Hey!
You have to put it behind your ears, princess.
Glasses on it. Hey! Room?
Alright, you guys, let me show you now my dirty goodie. Curry look nice. Look at that, you guys. And if you want the best tasting curry chicken, of course, go over to Mel's Kitchen. This over there, long time. Have over 100,000 views. So yeah, you know it's good, Charlie. There goes dinner for me. Sarah, little stash, babe having the same thing. They haven't seen you all day. Say hello to the face.
Hi guys.
Oh, your face is like that.
No, I'm okay. I was working on this home, but it was a good day. I let babe dealing with the kids, going outside with the kids. I take care, try to take care a little bit of the house. That's the good things when you stay home, when you don't go to work. I mean, when you work from home, you don't lose time going transportation. So you can also help. You're not like from 9 to 12 behind your computer or anything. You also can, okay, I'm gonna take 5 minutes, 10-minute breaks or more, and do the things, and you can just adjust your times too. So yeah, I try to help today, and tomorrow go back to work.
Alright, eat your food before it cold.
Yeah.
So we don't eat cold food, shawty.
Except ice cream.
And Sarah is ready to put her hand in the hot food. Watch her, watch her. Fight you in front of her. What? Tell the face what you just said to me.
She look drunk. You know the girl when she's tired, drunk, and you just say one thing and she's laughing out loud.
That's what you say funny. Tell them now.
I'm not funny.
Tell them what you just said to me.
No.
Why not?
Are you drunk?
No, I'm just tired.
Okay.
You're not telling them what you said to
No.
me? He asked me why do I have a palm tree on top of my head. Why I have a palm tree on top of my head? Feisty. Kind of look like a palm tree for real. I didn't even understand the French word that he uses, but I translated it perfectly. I knew that's what he said because it sounded like palm tree.
If
And that's the
Tyler
only
was
thing he could
here,
have said.
I would like high five him.
Why?
Because you say, oh, Papa, you're so true. You're so right.
Talk to the peeps in the vlog.
Anyway, guys, that was good, you know.
As usual.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Come.
Kids went out. I'm happy. Sarah just loved outside. She's born to be outside.
Oh yeah, she has so
And
much
Tyler
fun. That
is-
girl is not a house girl.
Tyler is more, he like his room, he's quiet, but in the same time he also like to be outside to play. So yeah, I'm happy they've both been out. So yeah, for me that was cool. Well, it's the middle of the week, so go back to work tomorrow. And yeah, this last week before vacation for Tyler, only for Tyler. That's gonna be worse for me and worse for her. So yeah, you have anything to add?
You guys.
Any word to say?
You guys, I'm gonna send you guys to check out 2 channels. The first channel that I'm gonna send you to check out is called Lataya Ghoul. And if you guys follow Track and Feel, then you guys would know who Lataya Ghoul is. Lataya Ghoul, I think is her name. She have a vlog channel and she's actually documenting her journey to Olympics this year. She's one of I think she's one of the only female consistent 800-meter runner that Jamaica have that is at the Olympics. So she have a channel, and if you guys are interested in following her journey to Olympics, and you guys know that Olympics will be in France in 2024, so it will be even more awesome because me I go into the stadium and with me big old flag and a scream and all them stuff there.
Hopefully we won't have no coronavirus in 2024.
Better not. Better go back where they come from. Anyway, you guys, go check out Natalia Ghoul channel. I'll put the link down below in the description box and in the comment section. And also go check out another Jamaican YouTuber. The channel is called the Fun Smith Family. If I get it wrong, the link is down below in the comment section and in the description box. Go check out those 2 channels. So that's your job for today. Our vlog wasn't much for today, but we always give you what we got, even if it's not. Right? Why your face look like that? Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. Fix your face, I'm gonna start laughing.
So I don't chill out.
Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe.
This is where Sarah got her cheek.
Duh. Everybody talking about this Sarah get her cheek from. This is where Sarah get her cheek from. I think a little bit of too, because you also have cheek.
No, this is because of my fat. Because
it doesn't matter how slim I get, my cheek never leave. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam, ma'am. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
tomorrow.